Hey, welcome to Jimmy's Blacksmithing. Today I'm going to show you how to make a leaf, a very simple leaf. This was tapered already to a point from cutting it off, so normally you just want to put a little point on there. Fuller it down a little bit, like so. And then spread it out as best you can. You could almost get away with that on certain applications. However, we want it to look a little nicer than that at this point. I'm just trying to show you that you can do it out of round stock or square stock, flat stock, whatever you want. Here's a piece that was probably done out of flat stock. Very simple, but yet it looks kind of natural. This is kind of the thing you can make. I'm just showing you a very simple version of this, and the more you do it, the better. But you can see the natural flow, and there's no stamp in it. You know, everything else has to be perfect all the time. So we'll try and make this, as natural as possible. Okay, there's one way of looking at it. Okay, next heat, we'll put the textured edges on there. We'll bend it in, and I'll show you. You can take the peen of the hammer and pound it into a corner. On an English style anvil, you got the step down. You can pound it in there, but the skinnier this is, the tighter it becomes. So I've got this hammer here. It's a little skinnier, and it gets in there for small applications. I got another one here. It's a little less. We'll use this real quick. Why not? And they all turn out different, every single one of them, which is really cool. Okay, we go into this corner. There again, step down on an English anvil, and eventually I'm going to hook up one of my other ones and demonstrate how on English anvil. Of course, if you want, you can give it a wire brush. There again, this is for like gate work or something simple. There you go. Thank you. Subscribe, doesn't cost a thing, and have a great day. We'll see you next time with some other goodies.